How to create a group on X. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a group chat on X, formerly known as Twitter. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the X app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the envelope icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And from here you can simply tap on new message icon in the bottom right corner. And now here you can see the option labeled create a group, so simply tap on that. Now select the username of the people that you want to add, and once added you can simply tap on create. And also remember, to chat with the group you have to make your account verified first. So if you are not verified, you will not be able to chat with the group. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.